Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, One Pizza Too Many. Now we're going to do an unboxing video today on the new Landman Mini Grill or Mini Kamado that's been on for sale this week at Lidl. So let's get cracking. So first of all, just going to open the box. Okay. First thing, instruction book. The feet. Okay. And then the actual Kamado grill. Now, one thing to remember with these, the heavy, this little one is only about 20 kilo, whereas my big one over there is about 120 to 140. Still not an ideal height where I am, so I'm just going to lift this up. Straight onto there. Okay. Bag off. And straight away you see how small it is. It is tiny. So I'm just quickly checking to make sure there's no big obvious cracks or defects. It seems pretty good. And we open it up. The grill that's wedged in with some packers. Little toolkit. Okay, so an 8mm spanner, screwdriver and the nuts and the washers. The handle and the top. This is the grill for the grate for the charcoal, and then the firebox. So it's like inside, just a porcelain pot basically. Okay. So first things first is we are going to put the feet on. Okay, so there's some felt. The felt actually protects the Kamado. Okay. Which is good. Okay. Handle, screw it on. That's what I was just looking for. Got the plate that attaches all the legs together. daisy wheel for the top. Marvellous. It's all good. Blister packs, right. Let's open these up. So we've got 6 of those, and we've got 4 of the rounded washers, well, rounded nuts, sorry, which go with 4 washers, and the other 6 for the other side. Then we go over to 4 lock washers, and again 6 for the other side, and 6 nuts for the other side. It does come with a screwdriver and a spanner, however I'm going to use my own just because it's a bit easier. So first things first, we're going to put standard washers onto the bolts for the handle, spring washers, and then the nuts. Now a lot of the time these sort of handles, because the bolts are captive just behind this frame, they do start to spin, so sometimes they're a bit awkward. I think they're not too bad, so it's 10mm. One, two, don't worry, that wasn't gunfire, that was just one of the neighbours' boilers backfiring. Okay, and just a little, these don't need to be dead tight. I have a habit of over tightening stuff. Okay, that's them. Next is we're going to put these feet together. So dead simple. Drop the screws in. Other side is flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. So just quickly do that with all of these. Trying to be as quick as I can for you, so you just see the whole process and how quick it could be. Okay, last one. Again. Then we're just going to tighten these up, which with the 8 should be with the 8mm. No, 10. 10mm. So easiest way, spanner on. That's 8. The heads of these nuts aren't the best. Okay, that's the stand. Okay. Lift this on. Then I'm just going to spin it around just to centralise it, just to keep my OCD happy. Okay, well, next is the firebox. And you'll see a cutout, and that's for the front to get the ash out of it. Next is the coal grate the coal sits on. And next is your actual grilling surface. Okay, close that down, and then finally we're going to top it off with the air vent on the top. Okay, so it depends how you like to do this, whether you have it that way or that way. And these just snugly push on, and that's it. You can control it. So that is it. That's as quick as that setup needs to be. With a 10mm spanner, posi screwdriver, okay, and it's not too bad. It's quite nice little size, good for a quick little cook up. You've got your temperature gauge on the top. Yeah, you'll see a lot of these have crazing in the glaze when you get them. Yeah, that's totally fine. That's just the manufacturing process. Nothing to worry about. My big one has the same as well. But for the money, this was £79.99, and these usually retail for about £150. So I think Lidl have got a bargain selling these. So if you can get one, they're a real good bargain. So this is going to sit nicely next to my big one. So let's just sit that there, so you can have some sort of size difference. So there you have it. So let me know what you think about the mini Lidl Kamado. If you got one, was your setup as quick as that and easy as that? I think it's going to be a great little addition to my outside kitchen. Yeah. Remember to head over to Facebook and like us at One Pizza Too Many for all the in-between pictures and chat and up-to-date information on what we're at. And also make sure you hit the subscribe bell to get notifications of when I release a new video, and I think next up we're going to be firing this little Kamado up, and I've got a T-bone steak ready to go on it. So tune in soon, and thanks for watching.
One pizza too many.